Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Along the shores of Prince Edward Island, lighthouses have stood for generations as quiet guardians of the coastline. Built to guide ships through fog, storms, and shifting waters, these structures became essential to life on an island shaped by the sea. From the eastern tip at East Point Lighthouse to the western cape Egmont Lighthouse, each light has its own story. They have played key roles in navigation and local history, helping connect communities across the Northumberland Strait. Together, these lighthouses reflect more than just maritime safety. They represent the island's connection to the ocean, its fishing traditions, and the people who once kept the lights burning through long and often difficult conditions. Today, they remain lasting symbols of Prince Edward Island's coastal heritage, standing at the edge of the land where history meets the horizon. Standing on the southeastern shore of Prince Edward Island, Cape Bear Lighthouse marks a quiet but historically significant point along the Northumberland Strait. Located near the community of Harbour, this lighthouse has guided mariners through these waters since the late 19th century. The original wooden lighthouse was built in 1881, serving as a critical navigation aid for ships traveling between the mainland and the island. In 1968, the structure was replaced with the current reinforced concrete tower designed to better withstand the harsh coastal weather. Rising about 40 meters above sea level, the light remains an important beacon along this stretch of coastline. Cape Bear holds a unique place in maritime history. In 1912, the lighthouse was among the first land stations to receive distress signals from the RMS Titanic. Wireless operator Walter Gray, stationed here at the time, picked up fragments of the emergency transmissions as the ship sank in the North Atlantic. Today, a small on-site exhibit commemorates this connection, offering visitors a glimpse into one of history's most famous maritime disasters. Now a recognized heritage site, Cape Bear Lighthouse continues to attract visitors drawn by its history and its quiet, scenic location. It stands not only as a navigational aid, but as a reminder of the island's deep connection to the sea and the events that have unfolded beyond its horizon. At the far eastern tip of Prince Edward Island, East Point Lighthouse stands where the waters of the Gulf of St. Lawrence meet the Northumberland Strait. Located near the small community of Elmira, this is one of the island's most recognizable coastal landmarks. The lighthouse was first established in 1867, the same year Canada became a nation. The present structure features a tall white wooden tower with bold red trim and a red lantern, a design that stands out clearly against the surrounding green fields and red shoreline. Attached to the tower is the keeper's dwelling, reflecting the traditional layout of lighthouse stations from that era. East Point has long been an important navigation site. Here, two major bodies of water meet, creating strong currents, changing conditions, and frequent fog. For generations, the lighthouse has helped guide fishing vessels and passing ships safely around this exposed corner of the island. The landscape surrounding the lighthouse is distinctly Prince Edward Island. Red sandstone cliffs line the coast, shaped over time by wind and waves. The open terrain allows for wide, uninterrupted views of the ocean, where the meeting of waters can sometimes be seen in shifting patterns and color changes. The area is also known for its wildlife. East Point is an important location for birdwatching, especially during migration seasons when a wide variety of species pass through. Offshore, seals are often spotted along the rocky shoreline, adding to the natural character of the site. Over the years, the lighthouse has evolved from a working aid to navigation into a place of cultural and historical interest. Interpretive displays on site share stories of the lighthouse keepers who once lived and worked here, maintaining the light in isolation and often in harsh weather conditions. Despite advances in modern navigation, the lighthouse still operates today. It continues to serve as both a functional beacon and a symbol of the island's deep connection to the sea. On the southeastern shore of Prince Edward Island, Point Prim Lighthouse stands at the entrance to Hillsborough Bay, marking one of the most historically important coastal points on the island. Located near the community of Belfast, this lighthouse has guided mariners through these waters for more than a century and a half. Built in 1845, Point Prim Lighthouse is the oldest lighthouse on Prince Edward Island and one of the oldest surviving lighthouses in Canada. The tower rises approximately 18 meters, with its solid design reflecting the building practices of the mid-19th century. From its earliest days, Point Prim played a critical role in navigation. The entrance to Hillsborough Bay leads directly toward Charlottetown, the island's capital, making this a key route for ships carrying passengers, supplies, and trade goods. Before modern navigation systems, the lighthouse was essential in helping vessels safely enter and leave the harbor, especially in poor weather or low visibility. Originally, the lighthouse used oil lamps to produce its light, which had to be maintained carefully by resident keepers. Over time, the lighting system was upgraded, eventually becoming automated in the 20th century. Despite these changes, the structure itself has remained remarkably intact, preserving much of its original character. The surrounding landscape adds to the lighthouse's significance. Point Prim extends into the Northumberland Strait, offering wide views of open water and distant shoreline. The area is also known for its quiet, rural setting. Unlike more developed parts of the island, Point Prim remains largely unchanged, giving visitors a sense of what coastal life may have looked like generations ago. Fishing boats still pass through nearby waters, continuing a long tradition tied to the sea. Point Prim Lighthouse has become more than just a navigational aid. It is now recognized as a heritage site, drawing visitors interested in both history and scenery. Wood Island's lighthouse stands overlooking the Northumberland Strait near the community of Wood Islands. Positioned along an important coastal route, the lighthouse has long played a role in guiding vessels through these waters. The original lighthouse at Wood Islands was built in 1876, during a time when maritime travel was essential to daily life on the island. The current structure, with its white exterior and red accents, reflects the traditional design of Canadian coastal lights. Its square wooden tower rises from an attached keeper's dwelling, forming a compact and practical layout typical of the period. Wood Islands has always been a key point of connection. The nearby harbour serves as a gateway between Prince Edward Island and the mainland, and today it is best known as the terminal for ferry service across the Northumberland Strait. For generations, ships, fishing boats, and ferries have relied on this stretch of coastline, making the lighthouse an important navigational aid. The surrounding landscape is characteristic of the island's southern shore, with gently sloping land, red soil, and open views across the water. The coastline here is less rugged than other parts of the island, giving it a quieter, more sheltered feel. On the western shore of Prince Edward Island, Cape Egmont Lighthouse stands along the Northumberland Strait near the Acadian community of Wellington. Set against open water and low red cliffs, it marks a quiet but important stretch of coastline. The original lighthouse at Cape Egmont was established in 1884, built to guide vessels traveling along the island's western coast. Over time, exposure to wind and erosion led to the need for replacement, and the current structure was built in 1964. Cape Egmont is also known for its strong connection to Acadian culture. The nearby communities have deep roots, with traditions tied closely to the sea. Fishing remains an important part of life here, and the lighthouse stands as a familiar landmark for those who work on the water. Today, Cape Egmont Lighthouse continues to operate as a navigational aid while also serving as a point of interest for visitors. It represents both the practical needs of maritime travel and the enduring presence of coastal life on Prince Edward Island, standing quietly at the edge of the land where the island meets the open sea. Thanks for watching!